English Learning Podcast.
Learn English, clear, easy, and fast.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I am Jack.
And I am Sarah. We are so happy to have you here with us today.
Today, we are going to talk about something very important for a healthy life, your evening routine.
Yes, how you end your day is just as important as how you start it. A good evening routine helps you relax, sleep better, and wake up happy.
Exactly. So today, Sarah is going to walk us through her perfect, relaxing evening routine. We will break it down step by step.
I'm excited to share it. Even if you are busy, you can use these simple steps to calm down after a long day.
Okay, Sarah, let's start at the very beginning. When does your evening routine officially start?
It starts the moment I finish my work at the office. I make sure to turn off my computer and clean my desk. I like to leave everything tidy for the next day.
That is a great habit. A clean desk helps you leave work stress behind. What do you do next?
I say goodbye to my colleagues. It's a small thing, but saying a friendly goodbye signals that the workday is over. Then I walk out of the office building and get into my car.
And the drive home, is that part of the relaxation?
Yes, I drive home slowly and safely. I listen to some quiet music or a podcast. It helps me transition from work mode to home mode.
Okay, so now you arrive at your house. What is the first thing you do when you walk in the door?
I unlock the front door, step inside, and close the world behind me. Then I take off my shoes immediately. This is very important for me. Taking off my shoes makes me feel grounded and free.
I agree. Wearing shoes inside feels like you are still ready to work. Bare feet or slippers feel like home.
Exactly. I put my keys in a small bowl so I don't lose them. Then I take a deep breath and say to myself, I am home. It feels good.
So you're home, but you're probably still wearing your work clothes.
Yes, and that is the next step. I go straight to my bedroom to change. I take off my work clothes and I change into comfortable clothes.
What do you usually wear?
I wear soft and cozy clothes, usually sweatpants and a loose t-shirt. I want to feel comfortable.
That sounds perfect. What about hygiene? Do you wash up?
Yes, I go to the bathroom and wash my hands with soap and water. Then I splash some cold water on my face. It washes away the dust and stress of the day. I feel fresh and relaxed.
Okay, now you are comfortable and clean. I guess it is time for dinner.
Yes, I am usually hungry by this time, so I go to the kitchen to cook.
Do you cook every night, or do you order takeout?
I try to cook most nights. I enjoy it. I open the fridge and take out fresh vegetables. I place them on the counter and wash them carefully.
What is your favorite simple dinner to make?
I usually make a stir-fry or a soup. I take a knife and a cutting board, and I chop the onions and carrots. I love the rhythm of chopping vegetables. It is very meditative.
That's true. Cooking can be a way to relax if you don't rush.
Exactly. I turn on the stove and heat the pan. I cook a healthy and simple dinner. When the food smells delicious, I know it is ready.
And then you eat. Do you watch TV while you eat?
No, Jack, that is a bad habit. I set the table nicely. I put a plate and a fork on the table. I sit down to eat my dinner in peace.
So no phone? No Netflix?
No phone, no TV. I enjoy my food in silence. I eat slowly and enjoy every bite. It helps with digestion and it helps me appreciate the meal.
I need to try that. I always watch the news while I eat. It's stressful.
You should try silence, Jack. It changes the flavor of the food. The food tastes very good when you pay attention to it.
Okay, dinner is finished. Now comes the part I hate, cleaning up.
I know, nobody likes it, but I have a rule. I take my plate to the sink immediately. I don't like a dirty kitchen, so I wash them immediately.
You wash them right away? You don't leave them for the morning?
Never. If I leave them, I will feel stress in the morning. I wash them, I wipe the table with a cloth, and I make sure the kitchen is clean. Then I can truly relax.
Okay, the work is done, the kitchen is clean. Now what?
Now it is time to truly relax. I go to the living room and sit on my favorite soft sofa.
Do you turn on the bright lights?
No, bright lights are for daytime. In the evening, I turn on a small lamp. I turn on a soft light. It tells my brain that it is almost time to sleep.
And what do you do on the sofa?
I pick up a book. I love reading. I read a book for 30 minutes. It is my escape.
That sounds lovely. Do you listen to anything?
Sometimes I listen to quiet and calm music, classical music, or maybe nature sounds. And I often make a hot drink.
Coffee?
No caffeine at night. I drink a cup of herbal tea, chamomile or peppermint. It warms me up from the inside.
Okay, so you have read your book, finished your tea, you are feeling tired.
Yes, when I feel tired, I get ready for bed. First, I check that the front door is locked. Safety first. Then I turn off all the lights in the house.
And then to the bathroom again?
Yes, I brush my teeth for 2 minutes, I wash my face and apply moisturizer. I get ready to sleep.
And then the best feeling in the world, getting into bed.
Oh yes, I go to my bedroom and pull back the covers. I get into my warm bed.
Do you set an alarm?
I have to. I set my alarm for 7 a.m. I put my phone away, far from the bed. I lay my head on the pillow. My pillow is soft and comfortable.
And then?
I close my eyes, I take a deep breath, and I fall asleep.
Wow, Sarah, that sounds like the perfect evening. It's so organized, but so relaxing.
It really works for me. It calms my mind.
Thank you for sharing that with us. I think I'm going to try the no TV at dinner rule tonight.
You should. Let us know how it goes. And to all our listeners, try to use some of these steps in your own routine.
Thank you for listening to our conversation. We hope it helps you improve your English and your evenings.
Until next time, keep speaking and keep relaxing. Good night and sweet dreams.
Bye, everyone.